We collected ideas that turn an ordinary backyard into a place people talk about. The video is short, just 10 minutes. But right after the intro, you'll already know why it's worth watching until the very last second. A pitcher fountain looks beautiful. The pump is hidden inside the pot, while the stones disguise the hose and make the shoreline look natural. A sail made from fabric and branches turns ordinary planters into a small schooner, adding a nautical accent where there's no water at all. A decorative birch ladder creates shelves for birdhouses and souvenirs, adding an accent between the house windows. A mini pond with a decorative garden bridge creates a focal point and naturally draws the eye from the house porch. This curved woven fence creates a private corner for comfortable relaxation in the garden. A thick board connects two wood slices, turning leftover timber into a sturdy bench that feels warm to the touch. A tire on wooden legs becomes a mobile flower bed, easy to move for a photo spot or for cleaning. A brick arch above the garden gate continues the fence visually and blends naturally with the style of the house. A gravel fire bowl isn't afraid of embers. Sparks die out on the stone, leaving the lawn unharmed. Patterns in the metal let light and shadows pass through, making the entrance decorative even during the day without lighting. White planters arranged in a row create rhythm and guide the eye toward the fire at the center of the composition.
We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.